Hi, my name is Katie. I've been at Babylon for 3 years and I am the operations director. I wanted to join Babylon because I saw it as an exciting opportunity to join a growing company in an emerging industry, which comes with a lot of challenges. And having a challenging work environment is really important to me. I love solving complex problems while building teams. Over the past few years, we've built a really strong operations team that is highly adaptable to growth and change. From our supply chain, manufacturing, logistics, installation, maintenance, and consumables teams, we have a really strong foundation to support Babylon's growth, which we're really proud of. Broadly, I focus on directing and building out Babylon's operations, make sure that we can deliver high-quality farms and services on time to our customers every time. So what that looks like kind of day to day is leading kind of cross-functional team meetings to manage projects to completion that align with company objectives, collaborating very closely with our engineering team on new product development, product level changes, supply chain shortages, and manufacturability of farms to make sure the operations team is prepared to execute on those, and just building the operations team as a whole. I'd love to see Babylon use the technology, talent, and knowledge we've built out over our past several years to develop more indoor farming solutions to add to our portfolio. I'm not much of a chef, but I do love taking home Babylon's lettuce and leafy greens to add to sandwiches to give them a nice crisp taste. Thanks.